So I have my Stampin' Up! Catalog here, and I'm going to turn to page 224, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the host benefits. When you host a Stampin' Up! Workshop, you start receiving benefits for that. So if you have a $150 party, then you're going to get 10% in Stampin' Rewards. And what that means is with a $150 party, you will get $15 in free merchandise. Any free merchandise you want. You can pick whatever you want. And it goes up from there. Now, when you have a $450 party, you also get one 50% off item. So it really does benefit you to have your own Stampin' Up! Workshop. And, you can pick any theme you want. We could do scrapbooking. You might want to do stamping for kids. Maybe you have a senior that lives with you or in a nursing home who loves to craft. You could do stamping with seniors. So there are a lot of different ways to host a party. You can also do a virtual workshop. When you host with me, you're also going to get a few additional things. So you're going to get a free catalog, the main catalog and also the occasions catalog that is current right now. You will get a booking gift, and any of your own guests from your shop, from your party that host will also get a booking gift. You get to keep the workshop project that we make, and you also get a handmade gift that I'm going to make for you. So you also get an invitation to my exclusive host club, and every year I'm going to have a host appreciation party. And so when you host with me in particular, you're going to get a lot more than just your free merchandise. But I will also tell you that right now is Sale-A-Bration. Remember I talked about Sale-A-Bration earlier. This is the time to have a workshop. This is the best time of year. So Sale-A-Bration runs from January 3rd to March 31st. And this is our little Sale-A-Bration catalog. And so, first of all, let me show you this. So your Stampin' Rewards are going to be the same. However, when you have a $250 party, you're also going to get $25 more in Stampin' Rewards. So right there, that's $25 extra, which is fabulous. But there's also more. So I'm going to show you this in just a second. So Sale-A-Bration, Stampin' Up! Offers free stamp sets. So with every $50 that you spend, you will get a free stamp set of your choice. So here's one of the choices. One of the choices is this Organdy Ribbon Combo Pack. These are the butterfly elements, which I actually have right here. They come in a pack like this, and they open up, and you can see they come out, and they just pop right out. And you can use these. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. You can use these, you see, on your different projects. Okay, and they are kind of like a chipboard. They're pre-cut. So there's also the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper, and I happen to have some of that as well. That's what this looks like. Look how beautiful this is. One of the things I love about Stampin' Up's paper is it's double-sided and it's very thick. It's a good weight. And you see, all of them are double-sided, but they cut beautifully. They're going to give you some nice sturdy projects. So if you're scrapbooking or card making, this paper is wonderful. Let me show you real quick. These are the different patterns that come with this paper. It's very versatile. It looks like they're all black and white on the back. And I've been playing with these already, so I've got a little bit of this cut already. So these are the different patterns that come in this. Very nice. So again, that you get with a $50 purchase for free. You get one for every 50. So if you spend $100, you get to pick two of these items. Here's a stamp set, another stamp set. Here's a stamp set, and I have that as well right here. Here's the stamp set. And as you can see, it is the red rubber. So you would need a, with a stamp set like this, which these are actually some of my favorites, you need an acrylic block, and I'll talk to you about that later. Okay, so here's a stamp set there. Here is a card kit. Now, with every $100, you get to choose, they have higher items. This set here, Tea Together, is in the Occasions catalog, and this coordinates with this framelets kit, which I have right here. These are the Tea Time framelets, and I've already punched out a bunch of them. I won't pop them out because I'm doing this one-handed. But this is what the framelets look like. You use those in your Big Shot. So with a $100 purchase, you can choose those. And you can also, this is with a $100 purchase, Lasting Lily, which is a gorgeous stamp set. And this is going to be very versatile. It's very good for sympathy cards and things like that. I'm going to move that aside. So those are the free things you get with Sale-A-Bration. Now, they also released a second. This only runs from February 15th to the end of March. They have some additional things you can choose. So here's a stamp set here. These were from the original Sale-A-Bration catalog I just showed you. Here's an embossing folder that works with the Big Shot. And here is a bundle with a $100 purchase. You can choose this bundle. It's this stamp set and this paper. So there's an additional lots of Sale-A-Bration stuff. Now, let me also tell you this. Sale-A-Bration is a perfect time to join Stampin' Up's family as a demonstrator. So let me pull this over real quick. I'm going to show you this. So when you join Stampin' Up, that's what I do. I'm an independent demonstrator. You pay $99 for your kit. You get $125 in products. So you get to choose any products you want that add up to $125, and you're only paying $99, which is a wonderful deal. It's a great way to start your stamping collection. When you sign up during Sale-A-Bration, you get more stuff. So during Sale-A-Bration, you're going to get $175 worth of Stampin' Up products for $99. So you're getting a lot more products, okay? It's $50 more than you usually get. You also have the option this year. This is something new they're doing. There's a second option. For the same, let's see, you get $175 worth of products, plus this Craft and Carry Tote for $129. Now the Craft and Carry Tote is wonderful. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Look at all that fits in here. I mean, you can put so much in here. And I just happen to have that tote right here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, first let me show you. This is what the tote looks like. It is a large size. It's very comfortable. There's a tag here. There's 2 pockets here on either side. My cell phone fits in here, my ink pads, there's a lot. There's a zipper pocket. One thing you will notice is this is wonderful, good quality. It's very good. Okay, there's that. On the inside, you will see it is very large. Look how big this inside is. And these pockets here, those are Velcroed in. Those are removable, so you can actually take those out if you want the whole thing just big. There's pockets here, on 4 pockets, so there's 2 on either side, like so. And then there's this zipper pocket right here. And you have a shoulder strap, or you can use your hand straps. So that is a pretty darn good deal to get that tote plus $175 worth of Stampin' Up products for just $129. Now, when you are a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you get discounts. You get a 20% discount to start, and when you are promoted, which I was promoted last year, I get 25% discount. That's called instant income. So, you know, you can actually make a lot of money doing this, and you're making money having fun. One of the things that I love is I'm actually a writer, and I had one workshop last summer, just one workshop. I made more from that one workshop than I have in a whole year as an author, and I have 4 books out. So that tells you that you can actually make some pretty decent money doing this, and what I love is sharing my passion. I love to share my passion with people and make money doing it. So if you want more information about signing up as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, talk to me, because I can tell you everything you need to know. Now is the best time to do it. Like I said, if you want to get into the action, you know, $99 and you get $175 worth of product, which is what I did last year. So this is the way to go. Come talk to me if you're interested. But if not, that's okay too, because you can still have fun with Stampin' Up! And you don't have to be a demonstrator. Okay, let's see. I've talked about the catalogs, and I've talked about ordering, and I've talked about Sale-A-Bration. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to include my email in the links, and I will see you in the next video.